Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking the right player and lining up the hit. Choose someone with high checking and strength. Once positioned, close the gap at a shallow angle, 0 to 45 degrees, and match your skating speed to theirs so timing is reliable. Then press the body check button for medium range or use the stick lift if you're inside pocket range. This immediate step sets the tempo, because a well-timed approach determines whether you knock them off the puck or simply miss. Once you engage, focus on timing and contact point. An early hit can whiff, while a late hit risks penalties. Use the right stick or directional input to aim for the puck or the player's board side. Targeting the puck gives turnovers, targeting the body separates the opponent. Make small adjustments: shoulder checks at speed, hip checks to turn them, and shoulder to stick for stick dislodges. Keep alternating styles to avoid predictability, because varied checks create more possession opportunities and reduce refs calling penalties. Finish every check by immediately recovering. Push off to sprint toward the puck or skate into a support lane for a teammate. If you get board pinned, release the check and use a short burst to explode away. That prevents drawn penalties and keeps play alive. If you're getting called often, reduce aggression and change approach angle to cleaner side hits. Troubleshooting tip: when penalties persist, slow down timing and aim at the puck contact point. That simple tweak prevents most unwanted penalties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.